Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to add shortcut of turn on data on iPhone iOS 18. Before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is you want to open up your shortcuts, and once you open your shortcuts, click on the top right on the plus button. Once you're in your screen, you just want to in search actions, type in turn, and then click on set cellular data and on. Then you want to click on done, and it has been created, as you can see here, and you just want to tap on it to activate it. If you want to add it to your screen, just long hold to get the wiggling, click on edit, add widget, then type in shortcuts, and as you can see you have it, add widget, click on the plus, and it's here. So once I click on it, it's going to enable mobile data, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.